Bangkok has over 12,000 7-Eleven stores. That's more than almost any city in the world. But it's not just about convenience, guys. These stores are packed with gourmet snacks and budget-friendly meals that you won't find anywhere else. Stay with me as I take you around and stick around until the end for my top 10 must-buys from 7-Eleven Bangkok. Have you ever been disappointed by convenience stores with limited variety and poor customer service? So you walk in hoping to find something exciting, but you're met with the same old snacks and cold service. That's the usual convenience store experience, right? But what if I told you guys that 7-Eleven in Bangkok flips that script? With a huge variety of unique eats and friendly service, this isn't your typical quick-stop shop. It's a whole new level of convenience, guys. In Bangkok, 7-Eleven is not your average quick-stop shop. It's an incredible blend of unique snacks, gourmet meals, and even barista-style coffee. And the best part, guys, all at budget prices. It's a foodie adventure, so let's go. Let's explore what makes Bangkok 7-Eleven stand out from the rest. Hi guys! Bababa muna kami. Bibili kami sa 7-Eleven. She's going with me! So ayan guys, bumaba muna kami. We're going to 7-Eleven dito sa baba ng Intercon and Holiday Inn. And ito yung 7-Eleven na sinasabi kong the social version. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, diba parang iba yung color ng logo niya. Instead of the orange, red, and green, parang grayish titanium yung color ng logo nito. Ako fruits. I got many fruits. I got shine muscat, melon, pineapple. This is my favorite, guys. Guys, lagi ko sinasabi to. This is my favorite. I think Jisoo of Blackpink also got this. Kim Son Ho also got this, and it's really good. Like super. Yeah. You got beer. Got beer. But I want something cold and refreshing. Honey lemon oolong tea. Nakita ko to kay Marvin sa Mako. And ito try natin siya kung masarap na. This honey lemon oolong tea. Also gonna get some water. Ah, pati yung paper plate. This is their coconut water. Try natin, ha? Lasang buko pandan. Hindi ko parang masabi kung yan ay totoo. Baka artificial yan. Pero ang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Ito, napakita ko na to kanina nung kinukuha ko dun sa 7-Eleven. That's our food haul from 7-Eleven. So we got this Shin Ramyun J5 collab egg sandwich. Tingnan natin kung kalasa ng sa Japan. Doritos, nacho cheese, Mentos. Ito yung favorite na tomato snack ni Jisoo and Kim Son Ho. Doritos, the usual. Coke. Sa anak ko. 0% sugar pala to. Coke Zero. Ito, nakita ko to kay Marvin sa Bako. So, I'm gonna try that. I got 3 bottled water para refill ko na lang yan when we go out. Coconut water. And then the fruits. Shine muscat. Pineapple. Melon. And pomelo. Now that we've explored why 7-Eleven in Bangkok is such a unique experience, let's get to the fun part. These are my top 10 must-buys. These are the snacks, drinks, and quick bites that you absolutely have to try when you visit Bangkok. So let's dive into my favorites that you don't want to miss on your next trip. Guys, thank you for reaching up to this point, but analytics is telling me that most viewers only watch but do not subscribe. So here's me requesting that you please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me and will inspire me to make more and better content for you. So please subscribe. At number 10, ice cream. I know, guys, these brands are not Thai exclusive, but I still suggest that you get ice cream from 7-Eleven in Bangkok. It's because sobrang init and ice cream will immediately cool you down. My favorite is, of course, Magnum. At number 9, that would be the seedless, sweet, dried tamarind candy, specifically from this brand called Tamarind House. I really like this because wala silang artificial coloring or flavoring and tamang-tama ang timpla ng sweet and sour. Walang artificial flavor, it's naturally sweet and perfect siyang pasalubong. Number 8 is this tea plus oolong honey lemon tea. It's very refreshing. It only has 4.6 grams of sugar per 100 ml. Natural oolong tea leaves ang ginamit and it also uses lemon from Japan. Nagustuhan ko to, guys, because lasang-lasa mo talaga ang oolong tea. For number 7, I'd pick the made in Thailand version of the popular snacks ng Lay's or Doritos. Marami silang flavors, guys. You can be adventurous. Some of them are exotic. But ako, I pick Doritos nacho cheese because it is something familiar pero different. This is on the cheesier side. Hindi siya yung maalat na medyo maanghang na barbecue-ish. This is really just nacho cheese goodness. At number 6 would be the inhalers and pain relief oils. Maraming choices dito, guys, but for me, ang favorite ko is the Siang Pure Oil Ball Tip Roll-On. Yung kanilang mga pain relief items here, guys, parang mga miracle relief talaga to sa kahit anong klase ng sakit ng ulo, stuffy nose, dizziness, headache, motion sickness, or pagka nahihilo ka sa sobrang init, the best Number 5, Carrada brand cheese ball corn snack. Nagustuhan ko siya guys because it's a cross between Planters cheese balls at ang local natin cheese rings. Very cheesy and nakaka-addict na snack. Number 4 would be the sandwiches from 7-Eleven. Guys, isinama ko to sa must-buy not because they're the best. Isinama ko siya kasi pagka puro Thai food yung kinakain mo, nakakasawa. Itong mga sandwiches sa 7-Eleven, magandang pang break yan at saka budget-friendly. Napakaraming choices and flavors na pagpipilian, but ako ang favorite ko is ham and cheese. Yung ham and cheese, meron siyang regular loaf, meron din croissant. Yung favorite ko is the one in croissant. 32 baht lang ito guys, so very affordable. At number 3 is the Shin Ramyun collab with J-Fi Tom Yum flavored noodles. Not sure if this is something that you can have forever, but if you can grab one guys, bumili kayo. It won't compare to the original, but this is also good. Warning guys, very spicy. Number 2, Fashion Food tomato flavored rice cracker. If you've been following my vlogs guys, alam nyo talaga na ito ang favorite chips ko dito sa Bangkok. Bukod sa budol siya sa akin ni Kim Son Ho, ay talagang favorite ko ang chips na ito because it's sweet, salty, and a little sour. If finger licking good ang KFC pagdating sa chicken, eto naman ang finger licking good pagdating sa chips sa Thailand. And now for the number 1 spot guys, ang number 1 must-buy sa 7-Eleven would be the fruits. Nakaka-amaze talaga dito ang 7-Eleven guys kasi parang pinopromote niya talaga ang healthy living, healthy eating. Just pick your favorite guys, lahat ng fruits dito, masarap. Personally, ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito ay yung fresh pineapples. And there you have it, my top 10 must-buys in 7-Eleven Bangkok. If you're planning to go to Bangkok and don't know where to start, you're probably overwhelmed with the amount of information available online. I'm here to help. I have a Bangkok travel playlist and you can check it out and start from there. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.